He came out the one way. Where is he going? There he is. I've been waiting here for 30 minutes. There he goes. So I had this, they're coming in and out. I already caught 4 squirrels, and then that one was still in there, wouldn't leave. I had a one-way, but it was compromised. So I put a screen on top, and I thought I left enough room for it to squeeze out, but it wasn't able to squeeze out. So I loosened up the top, and it came out the top. It took about 20 minutes. It did all that chewing overnight. So I'm gonna button this back up, and I have a trap here. I have a trap here on the deck. I have another trap in my truck. I'll put a trap here on the front by the tree there. I'm gonna button that up. Hopefully there'll be no more noise in that house. That was a pretty good size. That was not a baby squirrel. Alright. So this is day 5. No, it's actually day 8 for this job. Almost 2 weeks. Well, it's a little over a week. To me, it's 2 weeks. It feels like 2 weeks. I come every day. Alright. That's good. This is we're in Monroe.